Hi, my name is Rajat Sadana and I'm the founder of EGMAT. In this video, I will show you how to access the free diagnostics for sentence correction, critical reasoning, and reading comprehension. To get started, click on the Start Free Trial button. Here, you can fill in your user ID and password, so your first name, last name, and other information to create an account. Since I'm already a registered user, I would just go back and log into my account. When you log in, you would land into the sentence correction course. Click on the sentence correction diagnostic test to take the SC diagnostic. After that, you can go on the critical reasoning course and similarly click on the critical reasoning diagnostic test. You can also take the RC diagnostic by going to the reading comprehension course. Thank you. I hope you enjoy your time at EGMAT. Thank you.